Hey guys, I know that some of you were still having trouble getting into the conferences of Schoology, and I just wanted to do a quick screencast to show you how to do that. So you're going to regularly log into Schoology, which again is warrenwoods.schoology.com, and it will take you to this screen. You guys will have your first initial last name and your 4 digits, and then your password is your 00 and your 4 digits. Mine's a little different. So you're going to log in. When you get to your main screen, go to courses. Again, yours will look different, but you're going to go to fifth grade AM. We are section 46. I know that some teachers, like special teachers, may be putting theirs in here, and their section numbers will be different, but this is ours here. So we'll click on that. Now, when you come to this screen, this is what I showed today in the conference earlier. This is where your stuff is going to be at. So here's the week of this week. This is what our target is in math, literacy, which is reading and writing, enrichment, which is science and social studies and other stuff. There's still a chat here if you have questions or comments. There are still the online games here, and I still have those YouTube videos listed. In fact, this one I'm obviously going to send to you in a different link, because if you don't know how to get into Schoology, how will you reach it? But then I'll eventually throw it in here. So when you're looking for conferences, since some of you had a question, you are going to go over here on the left-hand side, and you may have to scroll down to see it, but you have this area right here called conferences. You click on it. Okay, now the current conference should show right here in the screen. This is the noon conference that we're going to do. And when I press the button to start it, you will have the ability to join it at noon. Up here is a completed button. And if you click that, it'll show the previous conferences. Now, somebody told me it takes a while for the recordings to be on here, but I may have messed up. I know I recorded it, but I may have messed up and had to save it a certain way and didn't. So I'm going to have to look into that more, and I'll play with that when we do the noon one and see if I can figure out how to make sure that it records to here. That way you can go back and just look at a conference. If you miss one of the 10 o'clock conferences, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, or Friday, you can always come back here and click on them and check them out. But yeah, I'm going to have to figure out what happened to this one. So if you go back here to active, this will be the one that you can get to and join by clicking on it. And this is going to be our question answer session, so that if you have any questions or you need help with something, pop on in at noon, have your video on. I will have you unmuted so I can hear you, and we can chat about stuff like that. Okay? Alrighty.